Hello folks and welcome. Today I have for you something different from the regular parkside video. I will be unboxing this Crosstour action camera CT8500. It's a Ultra HD 4K camera. It's equipped with wide angle lenses, 2-inch LCD and external microphone. Let's take a look at the box. Of course, it's manufactured in China. I'm not sure if I'm able to pronounce the name of the manufacturer. Some of the specifications of the camera. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. Of course, we have some manuals, quick start guide, lots of information here, how to use the camera, Wi-Fi, micro SD card, battery, etc. And here it is the camera itself. As you can see, it's inside, it's water and dust proof protection package, let's call it package or case. We have some protective foil here. Let me remove it. We have such foil. On the back side, another protective foil on the lenses. And of course on the LCD screen. Let's leave this for now. Here we have micro USB. We have the slot for a micro SD card. And this over here is the battery compartment. Now let's take a look. What accessories do we have? First we have a battery. We have second protective glass. Maybe if for some reason we break this one. This is the remote control. External microphone. And this is J-hook buckle. some other attachments, lots of them. Second battery. We have this steel cable, and I think those are double-sided adhesive tapes, some zip ties, I don't know what are those, some sort of bands, but yes, those are hand or helmet straps. Of course, we have USB cable, more straps, nice, and lastly we have, I think, yes, it's a second spare battery compartment door. Now let's open the battery compartment and insert the battery. First of all, it's absolute nightmare to open the battery compartment door of this Crosstour action camera. We have some label inside. Now let's insert one of the batteries and power up the camera. Unfortunately, I don't have an SD card, so I have to buy one. Video resolution. For some reason, I'm not so excited about the resolution of this 2 inches LCD screen. I know it's an action camera, but it looks really cheap. Here we have the different resolutions: 4K, 30 frames per second, 2.7K, So I will do some tests with this camera, and later I will update you with the quality of the photos and videos. So this is for now from me, guys. Stay tuned.